Um, so Professor, this is lab one. We're doing analysis of simple DC circuits. These are group members.
My name is Elliot Machat, and Panther ID 6330100.
Uh,
My name is Sebastian, Panther ID 6315456.
and my name is Fabio Macias, Panther ID 6243957. Group 9, and then our course is EL 3110C.
The objective of this experiment is to understand and demonstrate how to properly design, measure, and simulate simple resistive circuits using multisystem. In this case, we're using multisystem online.
For activity 3, we created a circuit according to the schematic specific to activity 3. For example, for scenario A, I put the first resistor at 2K ohms and the second resistor at 3K ohms. So first resistor is larger than the second resistor. For scenario B, is quite the opposite. Is the first resistor is at 3K ohms and the second resistor is at 2K ohms. And for the third scenario C, it's both the resistor equal to each other. So the first is at 2.5 and the second one is at 2.5 also. We had to measure the total resistance and the total voltage. Go to the other side. For activity 3 in the first scenario, you can see probe A where it says 5 volts, probe B in the bottom part of that DC current. The total voltage was 5 volts. The current also was 1 milliamps. Go to the other one. And in scenario B, you can see the values of each resistor is different, but the values of the total voltage and the resistance are basically the same as 5 volts, the total voltage. The resistance is also 5K ohms, and the current is 1 milliamp. Go to the other one. And C also being like different resistor values. The total resistance is still at 5K. The total voltage is 5 volts. And the current is still at 1 milliamp hours. Go to the next one also. So the analysis for this activity 3 is that basically it seems that changing out the resistance value doesn't really affect the total voltage nor the total resistance, and it also doesn't affect the current. So the discussion and conclusion, the simulations done for this lab through multisystem demonstrate and prove that mathematical concepts that we have learned so far in the class, working with resistors in parallel and in series can lead to different are equivalent due to their setups. Or overall, the objective of this lab was obtained, and we learned more about the different elements of simple resistive circuits. So in other words, we learned a lot about how to use resistors, how to measure the current and the voltage in each part of them. And yeah.